to Edinburgh's Arthur's Seat, a hill in the centre of the city that many tourists climb up. However, today I'm going to show you something here that few people even know exist. Even most local residents have never seen what I'm going to show you today. So come along, let's check it out. I'm cycling on my bike, starting here at the Holyrood Park roundabout. Remember to watch to the end and I'll show you how to get back to this point. But for now we're heading towards the Royal Commonwealth Pool, and we turn right here into this unremarkable housing estate which has a hidden secret. Turn right and right again. Can you see it yet? Past these garages and then suddenly a spooky tunnel appears. That's right, this is a tunnel that runs right underneath the hill. It's called the Innocent Railway Tunnel and is now part of a cycle path that leads from here right the way to the beach at Portobello. It was originally built as part of the Edinburgh and Dalkeith Railway between 1828 and 1831, making it one of the earliest railways in Scotland. The tunnel was designed by the engineer James Jardine and it runs for around 2.4 kilometres. One thing you've surely noticed is that it is an unofficial gallery for local graffiti artists. The walls are adorned throughout with colourful designs that really make the tunnel a bright and vibrant place. Also, it's common for buskers to play music in the tunnel too, as its acoustics gives the music an ethereal feel which just adds to the experience of travelling through the tunnel. As we now near the end of the tunnel, you have a choice on where to go next. You can turn right along this path to return where we began this adventure, or if you carry on along this path, you'll see stunning views of Arthur's Seat, and you can continue on right the way to the beach. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up as this really helps this channel grow, and you can subscribe to enjoy more videos like this. And I'll see you on my next video somewhere else in the world. See ya!